We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And the Blue Alliance quickly going up and throwing those artifacts into the gate. 19116. Quickly moving into there. And 22411 grabbing from the gate as quickly as possible. We're seeing an interesting strategy from the Red Alliance here, shooting from the close wall to get a really consistent shot in auto.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
And right now we're seeing a pretty close game. Blue Alliance is just ahead by only about 10 points. The red ramp is full, so we're going to see that drop as soon as possible into Teleop so that the Red Alliance can take advantage of those artifacts before the Blue Alliance can get to them. And 22441, Wild Squirrels is moving across the field, going in an interesting over here by the Blue Alliance. Looks like they might be in the wrong spot over here. Meanwhile, 22323 is still moving back and forth, trying to dodge some of this traffic caused by the Blue Alliance. VV Robots is moving quickly, shooting into that, just consistent as possible. Meanwhile, 6448 gathering from the human player. Completely regular setup here, just moving back and forth, scoring. Though that gate management is going to be important for this team. They need to make sure that all of those artifacts that they score actually count as much as they should. Even though 22411 is out of commission, we're still seeing Red Alliance put up 100 points in this match. That's because Wild Squirrels is back in commission, grabbing from the gate, going to try and come back here against a 100-point deficit, but 19116 doesn't want to let that happen. Just gathering from the gate and from that loading zone as quickly as possible. We're seeing a lot of scattered balls here. The red ramp is getting close to needing to be getting, but 6448 is ready in there to let that happen, taking advantage of those release balls from the Red Alliance. Blue is at 240 points to Red's 145. We're getting to the end here. We're going to see if teams are keeping scoring. Red Alliance, 22411, again, out of commission. Hopefully they'll be able to get back in time in order to park. If not, 22323 is still trying to score as quick as possible with only 5 seconds left in the match. Looks like they're going for that full park, while 6448 trying to get a partial in there. And that's going to be a game.
For that last match, number 92, it's the Blue Alliance with the victory. With a score of 287 to 167, it means stability for 19-116, and upward motion for their alliance partners with 4 ranking points.
Back to field 1.